Smells delicious! Greetings, little Earthlings. It's me, Marty the Martian. I've been so hungry, and look what I found. A little help here. Oh my goodness. What are all these? I wonder if these taste good, and I've been so hungry. I don't like those. I wonder what would happen if we put them in the microwave. Smells delicious. Oh my goodness, what happened here? It's Branch. That Gumball was green, and so is Branch. I wonder what would happen if we put a pink one in.
Popcorn.
Look, it's Skye. Skye is pink just like the pink Gumball we put inside the microwave.
This Pez is pink too. Let's put a yellow one inside.
Ooh, look what we have here. It's Belle. Belle is yellow just like the yellow Gumball.
Pink. Yellow.
This Gumball is blue. Let's put it in the microwave. Ooh, it's Chase. Chase is blue just like the blue Gumballs. Should we put one more inside? What color should we put?
Purple? Red?
Yeah, red is a good color. Look at what's inside. It's Mickey. Mickey is red, just like the red Gumball.
Mickey has pink candy.
That was so fun to put all the Gumballs in and get our Pez friends and learn our colors. Let's see what's gonna happen next.
All right, how about our yellow egg? Whoa, did you see who that was? It's Rubble. Hi, Chickaletta, what did you bring for us?
Oh, hi, little Earthlings. It's me, Marty the Martian. It looks like Chickaletta has brought us some awesome eggs. Woohoo! Let's see what's inside of this egg carton.
Ooh, Chickaletta, did you bring us some eggs? Yes, look at these fun eggs Chickaletta's brought us. Let's see all of them. Look at this funny egg face. It has a fun little circle. And he's licking his lips. Let's see what color it is. It's an orange little chicken, and listen to him squeak. Boop, there's our first little orange egg. Now let's see our next egg. Look at him, he's screaming, ah! And look, he has a little plus. Boop. Let's see what happens, what color? This is a purple little chick. He squeaks really good. Here's our purple chicken. Ah! Okay, look at this one. He's screaming too, but he's all worried. Whoa! Whoa! He has a square. What color is he? He's yellow. He doesn't squeak as good as the purple one. There's our yellow chick. Boop. All right, let's see our next 3 eggs. Boop. All right, this is our next egg. Look at him. He's all like, Smiling all happy blue with our blue chick. Look, he has the same type of eyes too. He kind of squeaks. It has a star shape too. Boop. All right, our next egg is sleeping. Let's see. Boop. And here's our pink egg. It's sleeping too. I think the purple egg squeaks the best. And look, this one's a triangle. And let's see our last egg. He's a fun little green face with our green chick. This one's, look, it's a heart. That's cute. Boop. And the purple egg squeaks the best. All right, let's put all of our eggs back together.
That was fun looking at all the eggs, but now let's see if we can find some surprises.
Okay, Marty. Let's see what's in the orange egg. What's in the orange egg? It's Zuma! Because he likes to wear orange, so he was in the orange egg. Boop. Now we have a Zuma surprise. Okay, let's do our next egg. This one's purple. Let's see who's going to be in the purple egg. Boop. Look who it is. It's Marshall. That's funny, Marshall wears red, but he was in the purple egg. That's okay. All right, how about our yellow egg? Whoa, did you see who that was? It's Rubble. Rubble likes to wear yellow, just like that egg. There we go, look at all of them hanging out. All right, our next egg is green. And the green egg, it's Rocky, because he likes to wear green too. Boop. All right, what about the pink egg? Whoa! We found Skye in the pink egg. Yes, Skye. She likes to wear pink. All right, we have 1 egg left. It's our blue egg. And we found Chase in our blue egg. He wears blue. Boop. Whoop. There's all the Paw Patrol now. Chickaletta has all the Paw Patrol.
Okay, little earthlings, that was a fun little story with our Paw Patrol. But now, let's see what's going to happen next.
Pink, orange, red, green, that's blue, pink, and yellow. Let's see what's in here.
Hi, little earthlings. It's me, Marty the Martian. We have these awesome surprise eggs. Let's see what's inside.
Okay, Marty. We're gonna see what's inside all of these fun Play-Doh surprise eggs. Let's open them up. Let's start with this little one right here. Look at all these rainbow colors we have. We have some pink, yellow, orange. If we can get orange off, red, green, blue, orange, and yellow, pink, green, and blue. And there's our surprise egg. Ooh, let's see what's inside. Oh, it's Paw Patrol. We have Marshall and Chase. Dun, dun, dun. That was really fun finding those two Paw Patrol in that surprise egg. Let's see. Let's do this egg next. Look at these. It's just striped. So look, we have yellow, pink, orange, red, green, that's blue, pink, and yellow. And here's our egg. Let's see what's in here. It's some more Paw Patrol. This time it's Rubble and Rocky. Rubble and Rocky. Na, 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 na. Look, we have 4 of our Paw Patrol. We only need 2 more and we'll get them all. Let's take this egg apart now. Look at all these different colors of Play-Doh on it. Here, let's start with yellow. Whoa! And blue. Green. Pink. Blue. Orange. Yellow. Green. And red. And red and green. Now let's see what's in this egg. Ooh, we got some more Paw Patrol, except look, we have Robo-Dog in this one. And Zuma. That's fun. Look at all these little guys. They are so much fun. But now we only have 1 egg left. I wonder what surprise is in here. Let's see, we have red Play-Doh, orange, green, blue, orange, yellow, red, green, blue, orange, green, yellow, blue, pink, green, red, and pink. Now let's see what's in this one. Ooh, we have 3 surprises in here. Let's see. We found Skye, and that makes all of our Paw Patrol. But look, we also found this cute little guy right here. Looks like a little wolf. He has sparkly hair too. And this funny little pop-up animal. Look, it's a pink dragon. And it turns into a purple hippo. What? There, look at all of this Play-Doh from our eggs and all of our Paw Patrol. Those were some really fun eggs to go through.
All right, little Earthlings, that's it for all of these surprises. But now, let's see what's going to happen next. Hi guys, subscribe for more adventures with me, Marty. Zim zam shabam. Oh look, here's some videos you can watch. It's going to be super fun.